On a windy night, under a dark sky, leaves flutter fast as the breeze rushes by. Trees sway and bend, moving with the wind. Their branches dance, twisted and pinned. Birds chirp softly, filling the air, flitting from roof to roof with care. Clouds float softly, drifting in the night, shaped by the gods and the moon's gentle light. An airplane flies high in the sky, the wind whispers as it passes by. I stand here feeling the breeze on my face and think of my childhood, a happy, playful place. I used to pretend I was a bird in flight, running around, feeling so light. The wind would chase me full of fun, making me happy like the sun. In the windy night, stars softly glow. The breeze is gentle, moving slow. It is like a tender hug that feels just right, bringing sweet dreams throughout the night.